So we're going to do two things here. We will cut this circle in half, and while we're at it, we'll go ahead and cut it into fourths, which is the same construction as making a square. So we'll get a few things at once. The first thing we'll do, to cut the circle in half or make a semicircle, we simply need to draw a line that goes through the center. So I, for accuracy, like to put my pen on the center first, then line up my ruler, and it makes it more accurate, and draw a line. And that's it. Now if you're using pencil, it'll be something you can erase if you don't want to keep that line and maybe just find the spots here. So the next step is, how do we cut it into fourths? Well, we want to make a perpendicular line. We'll call it a perpendicular bisector using these two spots right here. So this is the same construction we use when we cut a line in half or perpendicular bisect something. So we'll start with our compass. We want to adjust it and make sure our pencil and our tip, the pointy tip, are even. And to cut it in half, we have to go past halfway. We'll start by putting the point on the edge of the circle, and we got to go past halfway. Otherwise, the two arcs we're going to make will not meet. We want to see where they meet. The first step will be to draw an arc on one side, and without moving the compass, without adjusting it, we go to the other side, and we repeat that process. So these two spots where the arcs meet or intersect are going to be where we place our ruler. And that will cut the circle into quarters, into fourths. Now, because we have this even circle, we can take this spot, this spot, this spot, and this spot that are now evenly apart and connect them to make a square. So